did check out the Joann Fabric sale on McCall's patterns. They were $1.99. So the first two are patterns that kind of recently came out and I could not find them, and I found them today, and I went ahead and took advantage of that sale. The first one is McCall's M8341. This is a Mrs. dress pattern, and I love the ruching detail on this dress, and it has this little peak of skin showing here. It's just like, what's not to love about this dress? And then there is also a longer version with the split, and then you have a shorter version without the split in the front and some kind of bishop or balloon like sleeves. I like that. I did my first bishop sleeve on my Valentine's Day dress, and I absolutely love how it turned out. And you can do color blocking with this dress as well. I haven't done it yet, but I'm eyeing some fabric over here in the corner that I think will look good with this pattern. Next one is McCall's M8339. This is also a Mrs. knit dress pattern. This dress has this tie knot like feature in the front, and I think that will look good and kind of give you a stitched in hourglass look. I really like that, and I know it looks like it might be difficult, but I'm pretty sure it's probably not. And they have this version, a shorter version with a split, one without, and then you have the longer version, and I actually like how that looks. The next one is McCall's M7599, and this is a Mrs. dress. It has that vintage feel to it. I like view A. That's my favorite. It's actually what drew me to the pattern. I just like how that whole top is made, and it looks so easy and simple. I'm pretty sure it has some darts. I love the way this is fitting her. Next pattern is McCall's M8175. This is a Mrs. dress. This much of your back would be exposed, and this dress is only attached by this little piece here in the center. I think that would be very, very sexy, maybe for a date night or something, you know. Next pattern is McCall's M7910. This is a create your own look pattern. It's a Mrs. jumpsuits, and if you can see these numbers on here, I was confused before about what these numbers really meant. Valencia with 85th and Wade, she told me that it's kind of like puzzle pieces. You can mix and match different pieces of this pattern to come up with different looks. And I was like, oh, okay, that makes sense. I'd never seen anything like that and hadn't made a McCall's pattern that had numbers on it. So I thought that was pretty interesting. Now let me tell you why I picked up this pattern. Not necessarily for the jumpsuit or because it's a jumpsuit. My husband kind of challenged me to remake an outfit that he saw and liked. And so I've been looking for patterns that looked similar to this outfit so that I could either make it and just make the necessary changes, or I could find some patterns and put them together. So the outfit that he saw kind of has a deep plunge, and look at this. Fits the bill perfectly. Whenever I reveal what that is or I get ready to work on that project, I will definitely let you know. Now, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. It's free. And if you are interested in learning to sew, check out the Sew It Academy. It is affordable, easy, and you can learn at your own pace. You can check out the Sew It Academy by clicking the link in the description box. If you choose to sign up, I will get a small commission at no upcharge to you. I promise you won't regret it. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it.